Here today we have a BMW X3. I think it's an X3. You can see it saying brake pad replace. So these are the steps what we gotta do to reset this. So we hit OK. Turn this heat off. Okay, so now we go into service. We go into maintenance. And we go to CVS reset, UDS. Make sure the date and time is right. Okay. That was a success. You can see front brakes 0%, right? So now we hit brakes and then we hit the reset button. Hit OK, continue. Performing reset front brakes. Okay, so now we can see the front brakes is reset at 100%. So we escape from this function. Okay, and that was it. So now what we're gonna do is start it up and make sure that light is off, and you can see the brake light and that light is instantly off. So this is a good reset, and that's how you reset brakes on a BMW.